Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to give you my review on the C-Spring stackable shoe boxes for your closet, for your room, for anywhere in your home. And so construction is very, very simple. There are three pieces that go with it. The container itself, along with the front door and the back. And once you put all of your pieces together, your box will look just like this. You can do a left side open or a right side open, depending on what your needs are. And so now that all 12 of my boxes are assembled, let's see where they're going to go. So this is exactly what my closet looked like first thing this morning. The boxes are very easy to stack. On one side, you'll have your male. On the other side, you'll have your female, and they lock into place. Please make sure when you are assembling them that you put the right side together and that they remain consistent. I might have had to go back and redo a couple of boxes that I had set up the wrong way. And I will let you know if you do make a mistake, they're still fine. And now here's what it looks like in the closet with all of the boxes stacked and my shoes are put away. What a difference. So let's look one more time at that before and after. So I'm sure it goes without saying, I highly recommend the C-Spring stackable shoe boxes. Give them a try today. Now if I could just do something with the rest of my closet.